Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, keyless start, power windows, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.